That is a solar array tower. All those mirrors are shining and reflecting light up onto that middle thing, controller, collecting all that energy. Word is thousands of birds die there all the time. They fly in there. It's instant death. Oh, I haven't been traveling this way to California in a while. Looks like they got a new plaza you pass through. Welcome to California Inspection Facility. Do you have any fruits and vegetables with you? Are you weird? So, one of the only states in California, one of the only states in the nation where you have to go through a toll booth and answer questions. Though really, I don't think they man these anymore. Like, I don't even know why this is here. Nobody stops you anymore. Just scanning your license plate, probably. Anyhow, off that subject. 702 from Las Vegas to you, David, boys and girls, coming at you. It's Wednesday, it's the summertime. We're heading out to LA. Just found out that my sister, my nieces, and my sister's husband are in the LA area for a softball tournament. My nieces play softball, and only a 4-hour drive from Las Vegas, so I am running out there to spend the evening with them and overnight, maybe come home tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow get to take them to some beaches in the California area. I don't know if my sister and nieces have ever been to California. I know Mike, her husband, says he has when he was younger, so looking forward to seeing them. I only get to see them once or twice a year, and the fact that they're out here, just another chance for me to see them. When listing the street names in alphabetical order, the absolute last one in the world is ZZX Road. ZZYZX, something like that. There you have it. That is the road right there. The absolutely last road in the alphabet. Hitting the first city in California pretty much, called Baker. And the unique thing about Baker, a very small little area, is they have a thermometer. They got like the world's largest thermometer. Kind of a wacky, unique little thing. Everyone knows about this as they travel back and forth to California. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105, with 3 more spots to go. Shows you how hot it can get out here. So there you have it. Passing Baker, California. I have 165 miles to go to Fullerton. We are in the Mojave Desert, one of the hottest and driest deserts in the world. A little bit north of here is Death Valley. Their daily temperature averages around 120 to 126 degrees Fahrenheit, Very hot, warm, arid climate. Kind of a high desert as well. We're probably about 3,000 feet up. I'd say the first 100 miles into California, this is what you deal with. And then we hit the El Cajon Pass. And then we drop down in an elevation and start making our way down to the floor near the sea level in the LA area. So about a 4-hour drive from Las Vegas to LA, about 5 hours to San Diego. And that's what I love about living in Las Vegas. It's kind of close to a lot of things. Incredibly exciting city. Very cheap to live there unless you spend all your time on the strip drinking and gambling and eating out. Other than that, it's very cheap. And then so close to some great destinations like California, Phoenix, Utah. So love it in the desert Southwest. I am on a road trip to the LA area right now to see my sister and her 2 daughters and her husband, and hang out with them and support them as the girls, Michaela and Marley, compete in a softball tournament. Marley's a pretty good pitcher, and so they travel nationwide on these tournaments, and they're going to be in the LA area for a week. So going to go out there, spend a night with them, maybe 2 nights, and after the games, try and get them to the beach, see what California has to offer. Some great beaches on the California coast. Typically in mine, I'm thinking Manhattan Beach. Very nice area, been there many times. Got my body surfboard in the back, do a little boogie boarding, and having some fun California style. So 702 from Las Vegas to you boys and girls in the middle of my journey. There's a guy in the back of that truck. Somebody help him get out. I love my road trips. I enjoy traveling. There you go. Air is dry, brown. Not too much green out here. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. Cause in the desert, you can't remember your name. Cause there ain't no one for it to give you no pain. Except for all these drivers out here. Alright, in our second major city, Barstow. A lot of stopping at Barstow for snacks and drinks, and there's a Popeye's chicken right back there. If you're going to Palm Springs, I think at Barstow you get off the main highway and get on a smaller highway, head down to Palm Springs. So, I don't know, 150 miles from Vegas. Cruising to Barstow. Next down to Cali, Victorville. 74 miles from my destination, near LA. Victorville, probably about 2.5 hours into Cali. I stopped to take some drone footage. Victorville, California. Just did some of my infamous driving karaoke, lip syncing some cool tunes. I think it was A Whole Lot of Love by Led Zeppelin. Want a whole lot of love? You need cooling, baby, I'm not fooling. Gotta keep myself entertained on these journeys. I am about an hour away from my destination, considering traffic continues as basically as smoothly as it is now. So coming up pretty soon, I think the El Calhoun Pass. Pretty cool. It's where you kind of leave the 3,000 foot elevation and drop down to sea level. Pretty big drop. It's always both hands on the wheel kind of driving. That's coming up probably the next 30 minutes. See you then. Alright, here we are. We're leaving the Mojave Desert and beginning to enter the Calhoun Pass that takes you down to sea level. So, interesting transition back behind me in Victorville, kind of the last city in the Mojave. You got desert dunes, dry, tumbleweed, some cactuses here or there. And now we're beginning to see a little more vegetation as this area gets a little more waterfall. And we're beginning to head down. This is a interesting road right here. Truck, runaway ramps, things like that. We're at 4,000 feet elevation right here, it says, and as we're beginning to drop. So So we're probably 4,500 feet back there, and now we're heading down. There. Welcome to California, LA traffic. Not sure how people can stand this. But here we are. Adding time to my destination right now is racking it up. As I just jumped on I-10. Got 13 miles before I can get off. And bumper to bumper. See if it clears up here. Notice that we just passed into Orange County. It's pretty infamous. Orange County, California. Traffic's not too bad here. I'm on the 57, I think. 57 west or south, one of the two. 57 south. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? 702 from Las Vegas to you, coming at you from California. I'm in a small hotel. Not sure there's going to be any real big demand for this. But just in case, say, your sons or your daughters is attempting to apply at Cal State, I'm giving you a hotel review of the 702 from Las Vegas to you, boys and girls, coming back at you with another hotel review. This one isn't a big one. I'm not sure how much demand is going to be for this. But just in case that your son or daughter is about to apply for Cal State University and you have to come and interview, I'm doing a review of a hotel that's just minutes away from Cal State. It is the Holiday Inn Express in Fullerton, California. It's a nice little place, got it at a decent price. Once again, at hotels.com, that's where I do all my bookings. I love them. I love the process. I love the every 10th night you get a free night. Prices are always as cheap as anything else, and you get that free night, so I just pretty much book exclusively through hotels.com. Really simply and easy. Love it. A lot of times you get free cancellation up to a day or two before you have to make the day or two. Most of the time you get free cancellations until a day or two, 48 hours before your stay. So big fan of hotels.com. It's a room. It's a nice room. It's got a jacuzzi tub, and I love my jacuzzi tubs. And I apologize. I didn't think I was going to do this, but the room is a nice room. I just want to get it out there, show you guys what you may be purchasing. So I didn't bring my microphone, so I apologize for the audio. I don't have my gimbal, so I apologize. I may be shaky. It's not a big room, so I'm not going to do too much walking. So let's get to the video. Holiday Inn Express, Fullerton, California. We're on the third floor, room 325. Let's check it out. Nice rooms. Pretty impressed with them so far. Nothing special. This is a king bedroom suite. And I apologize, it might be a little bumpy. I don't have my gimbal with me. So right when you walk in, this is your view right here. Step in, you got the bathroom. Nice bathroom. It's a laminate flooring. You got your shower right there, just one sink. Decent lighting. Toiletries, extra towels. Here's what I love about this room now. What is behind this door? It's the bedroom. But look, oh, it's a jacuzzi. And it's a good sized jacuzzi tub. Gonna fire this baby up. Relax in it. I love my jacuzzi tubs. I got aching knees. I'm older, aching body. Really helps out. But check that out. Nice room. Great jacuzzi. And it's kind of weird. You got a shower door. Kind of step into it, but that's interesting enough. So coming back, looking at that, there you go. Stepping out into the room, you got a nice closet right here. There you go. Got a luggage rack down there, a little space to hang your clothes. You got a little extra room. Got an ironing board. Got an iron. Coming over here in the main room, you got a full-length mirror. Nice king-size bed. Decent lighting, like the paint. Like the carpet. Dresser drawers. Good-sized TV. In here you got a mini fridge. Nice-sized mini fridge. Plenty of room. Nothing in there. That's all stuff I brought. TV remote. Channel guide. Nice couch. It's in my... Gotta do what's in my backpack. I bought this backpack for my trip to Costa Rica, and I love it. Plenty of room, fit my camera, fit my drone, fit my laptop, all in there. And there you have it. End tables on each side of the bed, liking the red paint job. Decent view. I think we were just off the California 57 right there. Come on, focus. Right off a gas station. This is a Nutwood Avenue, I believe. Holiday Inn Express. Not too bad. Location looks good. Can't complain. Pretty happy with this room. Nice color scheme. It's clean. And so far everything looks great. So get back into some good light. So if you're ever in the Fullerton, California or near Cal State, you want a nice room, I recommend it. What is it? Holiday Inn Express. So if you're ever in Fullerton, California near Cal State University and looking for a good hotel room, I highly recommend it. The Holiday Inn Express on Nutwood Avenue. I give it 3.5, 4 stars. Not bad. Love the jacuzzi tub. Bed should be awesome. It looks great. I'll tell you how it is a little bit later on. 702 from Las Vegas to you. Thank you again for all your support on my channel. I really appreciate it. If you haven't hit that subscription button yet and you find my information helpful, please help me grow my channel. Hit that subscription button. I'm looking to grow my influence and give travelers all over the world invaluable information to help make the best travel choices. If you like the destinations I've been to, hopefully you like the hotels I stayed at. If you want me to review certain other destinations, especially in Las Vegas, let me know. I live in Las Vegas. I can help you out. If you have any questions about Las Vegas, I can always help you out on that as well. Looking to take care of all the tourists that come to town in Las Vegas. That's how we survive, by our tourists, and want everyone to have a great time. 702 from Las Vegas to you, boys and girls. Check out that Instagram channel. Check out my Facebook. Check out my YouTube channel. Hit that subscription button. I really, really appreciate it. Help me grow my influence. And thank you once again for all your support and comments.